Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you features that are available on the website of Macmillan Dictionary, in addition to, of course, finding meanings, improving pronunciation, finding synonyms for words or collocations, idioms, and as well as images, videos, and even sound effects that are all included on this amazing website. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to talk about this section of games and share with you several options that you could work with along with your learners, or as a classroom activity as well, or a home-based activity with your students. So you click on games and then you would get to a page where it says language games. So let's explore them one by one and see how each one of them can enrich your students' level of vocabulary and learn all sorts of things about the English language. The first one is called the Irregular Verb Wheel game. And then you click on Click to Start. And then verbs are chosen at random from the edge of the wheel. And then you have to read the question that appears and choose the word that matches each form of that verb from the 5 possibilities that are offered. And then you get to practice around with the same irregular verb until you get them all correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Okay, so let's see how it works and show you an example. So the question here is, what is the simple past form of the verb prove? And of course the correct answer is proved. This is one game the website offers for free, of course, and now I'm going to show you the next game, which is called Red Words. This is an excellent English language game for English language learners to test and check their understanding of high frequency words. That means words that are used a lot by native English speakers, because it's estimated that native English speakers use about 7,500 words in both speech and writing. Okay, so if you click on how to play the game, you would get to the instructions of the game. So basically you get a word and you have to decide if that word is a 1-star word or a 2-star word or a 3-star word. And 1-star words are frequent, 2-star words are more frequent, and 3-star words are the most frequent. Okay, the next game I want to talk about is Phrasal Verbs, Game 1, and let's have a look. So in order to play, you look at the top word and then you look at the word underneath it, and you have to decide if the word underneath it is a synonym, that means if it has a similar meaning, or if the word underneath it is an antonym, that means if it has an opposite meaning, and you get 5 points for each correct answer. So let's give it a go and try. And now I'm going to show you the last game, which is called Phrasal Verbs Game 2. Okay, and Phrasal Verbs Game 2 is another game to practice your knowledge of phrasal verbs, and this game actually requires more work, where you need to choose the correct particle to complete the sentence. And if you answer incorrectly, you also get instant feedback, which I think is very, very good, because the whole idea is to enrich our knowledge of phrasal verbs, and we get to see them in context throughout an example of a sentence, and we could write them down as well. I hope you found this website very, very interesting and useful to use with your students. It's an excellent resource that you could introduce to junior high school students or high school students to have a look at and use, I think, even on a daily basis, just to broaden and enrich their understanding of the English language. So thank you for watching, and all the best. English with Nasrin.